to carry the 340 pound. They can run 4 miles per hour. They can climb, run, and walk, move over rough terrain also. The advantage of this is the big dog robotics application is the rough terrain mobility that could carry equipment to for the remote application also. The vacuum floors and the cleans gutter. Like the robots can vacuum floor and clean gutter, so you don't have to be required. So it is easily they will reach to the particular locations where the human cannot reach. And also in this case of the space exploration application, this automation system is very much applied in the on the space applications also, where the Phoenix Mars landers where system can use that you can send to the particular aircraft, and it is totally based on the automatic. All are the fully automatic because we are controlling for the earth, and we are sending the our aircraft to the different all planets, right? So that it will help to the system to collect specimens, and we can go for the research and development activities, has automated onboard lab for the testing specimen. The advantage of this space exploration application, which is the part of the mechatronics, where a robot that can travel to other planets and take measurements automatically, and they can send their images from the different planets that we have already seen in the meteorological station, like that you can see in this figure, where the meteorological station is to be there. It is to be connected to the surface aeroscopic image, mass descent image, that they can take the images from the different planets, and that can be sent to the remote to the particular locations. The mechatronics applications is applicable in the medical fields also, where the this is prosthetics part, and they can convert and they can install the chip in the human, and they can take that information from one part to different, where they can use that arms, legs, and other body parts that can be replaced with the electromechanical ones. If somebody is get injured in the in the accidents, so now due to thanks to the the mechatronics application, which is also required applicable in the medical field, so some are get injured, they can start whatsoever that surgery can be possible, that the same thing is to be required, whatever you want you can do it by using this different technology also in the medical field. Likewise, the other medical application were the pacemaker, implantable defibrillations were used by the patient with slow or erratic heart rates. That also you can install and you can replace that. The pacemaker will set a normal heart rate when it sees an irregular heart rhythm. That type of the application is also now available in the medical field, and it also get monitored the heart. If heart fill rate or stops completely, it will shock the heart and high voltage to restore the normal heart rhythm. That part of that type of the technology now come due to this mechatronics applications. Likewise, the unnamed aerial vehicles, the name of the vehicle we don't know, that the information not get collected. So it is applicable to the mechatronics application, where the stealth bomber is you can use it without our or losses. The advanced technology is making our soldiers safer, because this is very important nowadays. Some planes can now be flown remotely from one place to another, where we cannot reach, our soldier cannot reach there. Sanitization application is now everyone have the experience to the sanitizations. In our college also, the sanitization process is to be there. Just put your hand, they will come, the drop of the liquids of the sanitizer will come, and you can, and when you just remove that hand, that automatically gets stopped. So these are the things is possible due to the mechatronic system. And whenever you will see in the surrounding of you, whether you are staying on the village or the city or the urban area, everywhere this type of the application you can see. Without touching anything, you can get that sanitization process to be completed. Like the system which is uses for the proximity sensors, that they are sensing that something is to be there, so that port will get opened, and whenever it goes down, removed from the some place, the port will get closed. So these are the methods basically in case of the sanitization application. And I hope that everyone has experience that they are using. Whenever you go in the some of the places in the malls, on the some of the different locations, they are installing that sanitization process which is fully automatic. They are controlled through the circuitry applications, electromechanical valves, independent power sources. These are the system uses for the sanitization application in the mechatronic system. The advantage of this is that battery is installed to the battery mixing valve, that they are mixing on the sanitation and the control hosing, that will some amount of the liquid will come down. It will not like somebody is getting more amount in case of the quantity, that will be similar kind of this quantity will become through the, it is only possible to the control housing. The advantages of this application is reduced spread of germs by making device hands-free. Now, the sanitization is very, very important due to the corona. It will really help to the our society, and we are getting reduced number of cases is coming. Not only the sanitation is to be there, the mask is also essential part, and the social distance is very, very effective things. Also, the reduces wastage water by automatically turning off when it's not in use. So that this type of the application we can install in the water application, where the water wastage nowadays in India is very, very the bad. Train also the soft dispenser is there. When you will go to the 3AC and through to 2 tier and 3 tier AC coach, that you will see that soft dispenser and this paper towel dispenser. These two are, you can you can see in the mall also. There were the system used for the motion sensor, its control circuitry, electromechanical actuators, independent power sources. The advantages of this sanitization application, where the paper towel dispenser and soap dispenser is there, which is reduces the spreads of germ by making device hands free, reduces wasted material by controlling how much is dispensed. So this is all about the sanitation application, where in case in the field of mechatronic system, where the paper power towel dispenser directly they will get whatever the things which are required, they you can use it, and the soap dispenser as well. Okay. And this in case of the sports applications also. And in running shoes, that in the running shoes, that mechatronics application is also applied. Advantages of this sports application is automatically changes cushioning in shoe for different running style and condition for improved comfort. So there will be no problem with this type of the shoes. If you are using for the running, you will feel comfort everywhere. That you can see the brand is Adidas and Puma. They are just making that these two three brands are using this type of the sports applications. The smart home applications are there, where the washing machine, the fridge, and the AC is there. Based on this user interface, they are automatically the automatic, semi-automatic, and fully automatic washing machines available in the market. This is fully automatic. That is based on the smart home application, the part of the mechatronic system. Smoke detector system, this will help to avoid the fire. The fire alarm will get activated, and the siren will start working on that, and you will get that particular sound, where it is sensing to the small signal, and they are implementing to the smoke IC integrated circuit, and based on the LED driver, that the siren will get started. and the horn driver is there so that you will get this sound. So the smoke detector system is implanting in most of the the companies and their offices. So this is all about the part we have discussing to the mechatronic system and the application, which in the slide also have explained in detail about. In short, the mechatronics is applied for the different application. Now just I have introduced all the applications in detail. Okay, so this is whole about the mechatronics application, which is to be applied for the different application, which is really helpful to the our society and get improving